This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Brandy Holdman. Available September. Cute, clean and cozy quality built ranch home with many upgrades. 6x15 covered front porch and spacious entry with ceramic tile floor. Open floor plan living room with vaulted ceiling leading into dining area featuring large picture window and slider door to backyard and patio. Delightful kitchen with breakfast bar area and numerous oak cabinets and 3 Lazy Susans. Kitchen also features recessed lighting and hardwood floors. Full hall bath and master bath feature double sinks. Large master suite with walk-in closet. 2-car garage with attic storage above. Walking distance to McCormicks Creek Elementary School and just minutes away to Spencer and Ellettsville and 20 minutes to Bloomington. Just 1 mile past the Owen/Monroe County line. A lovely area in the new Windcrest Estates neighborhood. Electric heat with central air.